Yes, children. So it got ended. So at 40-minute session has over. So I was keep talking. I don't know whether you guys have. I thought you guys are listening the class. So I was like asking. No one was responding. So yeah. So no problem, guys. Now I have given you this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So till this, till what you have discussed, I mean, till what you have listened the class, till the question, you didn't listen the class, right? Yeah. So what he has given here, look at this here. The value of A, we have to find out the value of A for which points A, B, C with the position vectors. With the position vector this and this and this respectively are the vertices of the right angle triangle with the C is equal to this one. These are the vertices. This ABC are the vertices of the right angle triangle with the C 90 degrees. So at C I made a 90 degrees. Okay. Now, as we know that here, what happens here? A dot B, I mean like AC vector and BC vector, both equal to 0. Dot product of AC and BC will be 0. So AC vector, how do I find out? AC vector. How do I find out AC vector? How do I find out AC vector? बताइए मुझे. Projection. I told you guys AC A minus 2. Look at this here, A minus 2 into I cap. Look at this. Okay, I cap and minus 3 minus j minus or minus plus, so minus 3 plus 1 j again k minus k, I mean 1 minus 1 0. So that's how I got AC. And BC vector, how much? How do I get BC vector? BC, this is a B and C, right? So 1 minus BC, so A minus 1, A minus 1, C minus B have to do, right? C minus B have to do. So A minus 1 and minus 3 plus 3 0 minus 1, I mean 1 plus 5, how much? 1 plus 5, how much? 6. So that's how I got this. I considered equation number 1 and equation number 2. And what we know here, dot product of AC vector and BC vector is 0. If dot product is nothing but what? We have to multiply it with their coefficients. You have to multiply their coefficients. So this and this will, this into this and this. So this will be equal to 0. All right. So that's how we'll be just doing this. Clear? Is it clear with everyone? Is it clear, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, I think these people haven't joined, guys. So we have done with what dot product people. Now we just will be moving for cross product. We'll be moving for cross product now. If I do AC dot BC here, if I do AC dot BC, I got A values, two A values. That is what the reason we had two A values. Look at this here. I mean two values in options. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear to every one of you guys. So we'll move forward now for the next one. Chalo. Next one. एक minute. Guys, in what we have discussed in last class, I mean till now what we have discussed dot product. Now we are going to talk about cross product. Okay? Cross product is nothing but what, guys? Now still we are talking about only two vectors. I mean product of two vectors. How can you multiply two vectors? All right. Now like in next, like after this concept we'll be talking about some other concept which is like which is called multiplication of three vectors, scalar product.
All right, scalar triple product, which is nothing but multiplication of three vectors. Look at this. Guys, here cross product is nothing but what? Look at this here, vector. What is nothing but basically this is what is nothing but cross product. Cross product is nothing but vector product of two vectors. Vector product of two vectors. Guys, look at how do I denote basically? Guys, look at here. This is what the cross product. Either ये multiplication नहीं है, multiply into symbol नहीं है, cross. You have to read what? A cross B. You have to read how? A cross B here. ठीक है? हाँ, guys, let me not discuss many things and confuse you here. Simple, let me just straight away go for the formula. इसका formula होता है sin theta into n cap. And how we got this formula and how from where it came. Guys, in cross product this is the formula, but in dot product क्या होता था? Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. This was the formula for dot product. Now cross product में this was the formula. This is the formula actually. ठीक है? Now look at this. Okay. Yes. Guys, look at this here. I told you in last class when I started discussing dot product, I told you whenever product of dot product, no, A dot B gives you what? It gives you scalar quantity. Now here, what this gives you? This gives you vector quantity here. Vector quantity. Okay, this gives me vector quantity. Now, guys, आपको क्या समझिए how we got this? What exactly the formula for dot and cross product? ठीक है? Now look at this here. Please try to understand this and move forward. Look at this. Guys, vector product basically how they have taken vector product. Let me tell you the best and very good example. The best and very good example. Look at this. The best and very good example. Yes, whenever you are nailing, all right, you are just tightening you have a wall here. Let's say you are a wall. You are tightening a screw. All right, you are tightening a screw actually. Basically, you are tightening a screw. Look at this. This is my screw. Let's say nail. You are nailing it. Okay, you are nailing it. So whenever you are whenever you are just hitting a nail to the wall, what happens? If you hit or if you drill it, look on that nail you will be having threads, right? Threads hoga na. Whenever you just drill on those threads, as as kaisa hoga wo nail, if the nail is getting inside, means it rotates in what? Clockwise direction. Guys, you are just rotating this nail in clockwise direction. ऐसा घुमाएगा तो क्या होगा? Guys, if you rotate this nail in clockwise direction, what happens? Tell me, common sense. Hello people, what happens? बताइए मुझे. Whenever you rotate the nail, आपके पास nail है ना? Nail को ऐसा clockwise में rotate करेगा तो अंदर घुसेगा ना? Isn't it people? Hello. Yes or no, children? Are you able to understand or not? Hello, what I'm trying to say here, children. Hello, are you here? Pravalika, are you here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Adesha, are you here?
Yes, sir. I was saying from that time.
Sorry?
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, I can hear you. What happened?
Yes, sir. Nothing, sir. Maybe I was not audible to you.
Okay, fine. Look at it. As like as you tighten this screw to make sure that to insert that particular nail inside the wall, what happens? You must rotate that thing in a clockwise direction. If you rotate that thing in a clockwise direction, that insert inside the wall. If you are rotating that in anti-clockwise direction like this, if you rotate in anti-clockwise direction, what happens? It gets loose. It comes out from the wall, isn't it? Whenever you are rotating in clockwise direction, if you are rotating in clockwise direction, it will get tightened up, isn't it? You're tightening it up. For losing it up, what happens? For losing it up, what do you have to do that? What do you have to do? You have to rotate that nail in. You have to rotate that in anti-clockwise direction. So guys, from this concept only, now look at it. I can't explain you by drawing this diagram. Actually, you have to visualize that. You have to visualize in 3D basically. So either ऐसे एक vector अंदर जा देखो, whenever the nail is getting inside, so you'll be having axis like this. इधर एक vector, and this is a vector. ठीक है? हाँ. Look at this. People look at this here. For suppose you have a axis like this. This is a vector, this is a vector, and this is a vector. ठीक है? Guys, I have fixed this one. ये vector को मैंने fix कर दिया. ठीक है? I just fixed this vector. ये मेरा wall है. ठीक है? ये मेरा wall है. The sky blue color is wall में. This is my wall actually. Basically this is my wall here. ठीक है? So if I rotate this, देखो this vector and this vector are rotating like this. ये rotate करेंगे तो क्या होगा? बेटा देखो, visualize that. Guys, let's consider this is a vector A in the space, this is a vector B in the space, this is a vector C in the space. ठीक है? Three different vectors I took in a space. Guys, if you are rotating in a in such a way that like A cross B, if you are guys, I can't visualize करो. देखो visualize this A vector भी घूम रहा है, A vector भी घूम रहा है, ये फिक्स है. ठीक है? अगर मुझे A क्रॉस B करूं या B क्रॉस A करूं, alright, if I do A cross B या B cross A, कुछ भी ले लो, if I take A cross B या B cross A, कुछ भी ले लो, there would be a certain scalar quantity या vector quantity, alright, there will be certain vector quantity. Of course, there will be some certain scalar. There will be certain magnitude, and of course, there will be a direction. अगर वो घूम रहा होगा तो direction तो होगा 100%. अगर वो घूम रहा है तो direction होगा ना 100%. हाँ, देखो, guys, just try to relate this, rotational of this A cross B and B cross A. Try to relate this thing with ये screw खोलने वाला and screw tight करने वाला example. ठीक है? As like as ये तो मेरा fixed position है, ये fix है. अगर if I'm tightening it up, it is going inside, which means if I'm tightening up, if I'm just losing up, it is coming out. Alright, if I'm just rotating in a clockwise direction, it is getting inside. If I'm just rotating in anti-clockwise direction, it is getting loosed. ठीक है? Just try to relate this and this, try to relate this example with this tightening the screw example. So that's how this product of vectors came. Basically, this is how the cross product came actually. That is a basic. आपको मैंने थोड़ा logic बता रहा हूँ कि कहाँ से आया, ये how they introduced, how the mathematicians introduced the vector quantity. I mean like cross product and dot product of the vectors. From this story they have introduced basically. Alright, ये आपको कुछ भी नहीं. This is not required for your exam point of view, but just try to understand what exactly the formula is all about. Let's look at this here. If I do look at this here, क्या हो जाएगा? देखो इधर if I do A cross B, what happens? The direction vector comes out. If I do B vector A, B cross A. If I do reverse, guys, look at this here. आपको ध्यान से सुनिए. Everyone try to understand what I'm trying to say. If I do A cross B, visualize it, guys. मेरे पास B vector है and A vector है बेटा. ठीक है? I'm doing A cross B. ठीक है? What is the direction vector you get here? You get a certain direction vector, right? If I do B vector and A vector, क्या होगा? वो direction vector that goes in a reverse way. Why? Because if I do A vector A cross B करूंगा तो क्या होगा? एक direction vector मुझे मिलेगा. अगर मैंने B vector B cross A करूंगा तो same direction vector मिलेगा, मगर not in the same position. उसका पोजीशन तो चेंज होगा ना. You are doing A cross B here, you are getting a certain position, and again you are doing B cross A. Of course the position of the direction vector would change here. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? That's how you know this product and a cross vector, I mean cross product of two vectors came out. Okay, guys, based upon this concept only they have taken the product of two vectors. All right, product of vectors. Look at this, guys. Everyone, let me give a note here. Let me give a note of cross product. Guys, the thing whichever we have discussed, even you don't understand, just not an issue. Basically, you try to understand हमको वो concept कहाँ से लिया है, product of two vectors, I mean multiplication of vectors कहाँ से लिया है. So that is the concept behind taking the cross product. I mean product of two vectors, product of vectors. The cross product of two vectors A and B denoted by like this. All right. Next point, if theta is the angle between them and n is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing for A and B. So the formula of A cross B gives me magnitude of A and magnitude of B. And guys, I'm just writing simply line which is nothing but direction. So arrow mark देना उसपे, ठीक है, मत भूलना arrow mark देना. So sin theta into n cap. ठीक है. A very important point here, the direction of n cap is obtained by right hand thumb rule. What right hand? Alright, right hand thumb rule. आपका right hand thumb rule ऐसा करेंगे तो आपको पता चले, ठीक है. Guys, look at this here. Let me explain you how we got this formula. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मैं क्लैरिटी दूंगा आपको, थोड़ा सा, मगर yeah, not required basically, but let me give you. Okay, हाँ, देखो मेरे पास कोई let me take this a vector, this a vector A, this a vector B. All right. So आपको थोड़ा ये डायग्राम नीचे डाल दूंगा. Let's look at it. Try to understand here. मेरे पास ये क्या है? This let us consider this as O. मेरे पास A है and this is my B actually. ठीक है. Now if I draw a perpendicular like this, this is my perpendicular at C. ठीक है. This is my perpendicular at C basically. All right. देखो, this is my A vector, this is my B vector, this A vector, this B vector, this A vector. ठीक है. हाँ. Now guys, try to understand here. हाँ, मुझे sin theta क्या मिलेगा? What is the sin theta here? Sin theta is what? Let us, this is my angle here. कुछ भी मेरा ये angle है, ठीक है, ठीक है. This is my theta here. This is my theta. What is the right? What is sin theta here? Sin theta gives what? Length of BC upon hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. BC. Oh, एक मिनट guys. BC upon hypotenuse B vector is equal sin theta. तो BC का क्या होगा जब what would I get B into sin theta? This is clear to each and every of you, right? This is a clear. This is my b sin theta. If I do into a, guys, this is a b sin theta I got here. This is a b sin theta I got here. If I just multiply with a, if I just multiply with a, if I get, if I multiply with a, this is what the formula which I get for a cross b, a cross b product, a cross b formula, guys. And this also gives me area of the parallelogram as well. All right, guys, here, हाँ सर, ये तो फॉर्मूला somehow we just understood. ये n कैप कहाँ से मिला मुझे, from where I got the 10 कैप, guys. For आपको ये समझाने के लिए मैंने ये बताया था, बस आपको थोड़ा ये समझाने के लिए मैंने बताया था बस. थोड़ा मैं समझाने. All right, now look at this. n cap is very special है इधर. What is n cap here? n cap बहुत special है इधर. n cap is very special here, guys. Right, people will not have joined. Everyone try to understand here. Yes, yes, guys. This is basically what unit vector. It is completely depends on in which direction up, like tilt it. It is completely depends on in which direction you in which direction you just rotate that, basically. All right, let us say that. देखो guys, look at here. हमने ये वेक्टर ले लिया, इसको b वेक्टर ले लिया. All right, this is a b vector, this is a vector, this is my क्या हो, what is this? This is my c vector. पहले n क्या, गाइस n कैप देखो, मैंने a वेक्टर ले लिया, मैंने b वेक्टर लिया, n कैप तो समथिंग डिफरेंट ही होगा ना. n कैप इज समथिंग, लेट्स से दैट n कैप इज समथिंग, राइट. गाइस n कैप क्या मिलेगा मुझे, a वेक्टर b वेक्टर गया है. I just gave a vector and b vector here. What is n cap here? What is n cap here? Look at this. What is n cap? Guys, n cap is nothing but basically which is perpendicular to A as well as perpendicular to B. सर ये perpendicular कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको? Guys, n cap is nothing but which is perpendicular to B as well as A. थोड़ा visualize करो भाई, थोड़ा visualize करो 3D में. Guys, 3 axis. Guys, x, y, z axis को थोड़ा visualize करो. ये and ये. Whatever I get here, whatever the answer I get of n cap which is perpendicular to this wala and perpendicular to this wala both. That's what I'm trying to say here. N cap, whichever the answer I get here, which is perpendicular to B as well as A here. All right. देखो, this is what very helpful. This is what is going to be very helpful for solving the problems. ठीक है, guys. हमको ये सब जानना उतना जरूरत नहीं है, but understanding and remembering this formula and applying the questions is very important. ठीक है, चलो next. What exactly n cap is giving me here? What exactly मुझे n cap क्या दे रहा है? Direction दे रहा है, ठीक है. Now, बिल्कुल this is giving me right direction. Now Cartesian form. Let us talk about Cartesian form. इसका Cartesian form क्या होता है? Guys, Cartesian form I have given you for dot product as well, for cross product I'm giving you. Guys, look at this now. If vector A is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap b vector all right. So these are the and a and b vectors we have like this. Now a cross b इसका Cartesian form क्या होता है? What is the Cartesian form of vector a and b vector in cross product? Basically this is what you get here: a I cap j cap k cap, and this coefficients of, you have to write this coefficient of a and coefficient of I j k, you have to write it. So what is that? What is that I would get here? Ax ay az. and here bx, by, bz. This is what the Cartesian product is all about. Guys, one more very important here. Guys, you can see the coordinates of vector A here, the coordinates of vector B here. Basically, and one more important point, let me write here. One more important point, let me write here. As the result of guys, and if you just solve this, आपको एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी मिलेगा, ठीक है? If you solve this, what happens? If you solve this, आपको एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी मिलेगा. Now, as the result, as a result of this product, guys, whenever you are आपको whenever you are listening, whenever you are learning this concept थोड़ा theoretically if you are talking about, आपको थोड़ा बोरिंग लगेगा, मगर as soon as you get into the question आपको थोड़ा interesting लगेगा. Any concept basically थोड़ा ये vector concept भी थोड़ा या ये mathematically थोड़ा अजीब ही लगेगा सुनने में, लेकिन समझने में, मगर if you are just getting into the questions आपको थोड़ा like क्या बोलता है, comparatively theory part, question part would be so interesting. So try to be patient, थोड़ा सा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए अगर आपने क्या चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So try to understand for what we are talking about, for why we are talking about. All right, yes, product is vector and it is also called vector product, ठीक है? Now look at it. For suppose let us talk about example. हमने example एक solve करके देखेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा समझ में आ जाएगा कैसा कर रहे हैं हम लोग, क्या बात कर रहे हैं. Let's say that if a vector मेरे पास है 2i minus j plus 3k, कुछ भी ले लिया मैंने, and b vector I am just taking I plus 5j कुछ भी ले लिया मैंने 3k, ठीक है? I'm asking you to find out a class b है, a class b, ठीक है? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट हियर? थोड़ा मैंने ले लिया आई जे क्या के क्या कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ ए वेक्टर ले लिया मैंने पहले 2 -1 3 -1 5 -3. तो इसको कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे अभी बताओ मुझे. ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट रो आई विल बी राइटिंग ए आई जे के, ठीक है? एक्सपैंड दिस, इसको कैसे एक्सपैंड करेंगे? हाउ शुड आई एक्सपैंड दिस? टेल मी. गाइस, एक्सपैंड द डिटरमिनेंट तो सबको आएगा ना. फर्स्ट करस्पॉन्डिंग विद द कॉलम 1 एंड रो 1. थोड़ा इसको क्लोज करके मुझे क्या लिखूंगा, मैंने क्या लिखूंगा, -1 -3 कितना 3. guys, I'm just closing column 1 and row 1, so this into this. For CBSE people, you will be getting matrices and determinants in class 12, and state board students might be knowing how to expand a determinant basically. All right, so minus into minus plus, so plus 3 minus 5 into 3, 5 into 3 15. देखो माइनस j इधर लिखूंगा मैं, माइनस j. फिर से क्या करूंगा, आई एम जस्ट एक्सपेंडिंग दिस, second row. Look at this here. Now I'm just multiplying j, right? So I have to close the first column, the second column and first row. And look at this here. So 2 into -3 now. 2 into -3 मुझे कितना मिलेगा, -6. And again -1 into 3 कितना मिलेगा मुझे, -3. -3 right? Minus into minus plus. All right. Now I'm expanding corresponding with k. look at this, k को correspond करने के लिए तो k किस में है, फर्स्ट रो में है. फर्स्ट रो आई एम जस्ट कैंसिलिंग, एंड along with that I'm just cancelling the last column as well. So plus k क्या किस कैसा मिलेगा मुझे, 2 into 5 10 minus into minus how much, plus, so plus 1. तो expand this how much, minus 12i minus into minus plus 3j क्या, so plus 9k क्या. This is what my answer. चिल्ड्रन कोई डाउट इसमें, एनी डाउट?
Any doubt here? Adisha, you are a CBSE student, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you know how to multiply, like how to expand a determinant?
Sir, I didn't remember.
I mean, you didn't learn so far, right? Matrices and determinants. Hello, Adisha, do you know or not? Adisha, are you here?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, I'm asking you that. Do you know how to multiply matrices and determinants? Matrices and
No, sir, I
determinants.
said already.
No,
No, sir.
no problem. Look at this here. Basically, matrices and determinants you'll be learning in class 12. So, but state board students, they might have learned in class 11 itself. The advantage for state board students is they will learn matrices and determinants in class 11 itself. For you guys, you have to learn class 12. Basically, आपको how to expand this, आपको ये जानना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, ठीक है? You should know this for understanding the entire, this cross product concept in Cartesian form. You should know how should we expand a determinant basically, ठीक है? Look at this here. ये मेरे पास है ना? So what I have done here, 2 minus 1 3. Let me explain you again. देखो, आपको first what I need here, I need my answer in terms of, देखो, I, J and K, isn't it Adisha? हाँ, for getting I मैंने क्या करूँगा, I किस में है? This is my row 1, row 2, row 3, isn't it? Adisha, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So first what I do here, I just cross I mean like wherever the I is there, I'll just cancel the entire row and the entire column as well. ठीक है, I is in first one first column, right? ठीक है, तो मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया. अभी क्या
Yes,
कर
sir.
लूंगा मैं, के I इधर लिख दूंगा बस. माइनस 1 इंटू माइनस 3 कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस 3. माइनस ऑफ
3.
5 इंटू 3 कितना? 15. ठीक है,
15.
हमेशा देखो मेरा आई हो गया, इसको क्रॉस कर दो अभी, हमें लेकिन इसको रिमूव कर दो अभी. हाँ, अभी देखो मुझे अभी क्या चाहिए, आई का आंसर मिल गया मुझे, ठीक है? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ आई गॉट.
J.
नाउ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ जे के लिए मैंने क्या करना है, क्रॉस द फर्स्ट रो. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ जे इज इन द फर्स्ट रो एंड क्रॉस द सेकंड रो,
And the middle row.
isn't it? हाँ, now इधर j के
Yes,
लिए
sir.
हमेशा माइनस j लिखना है, not plus j, हमेशा माइनस j. Why? The reason behind writing minus j I'll explain in the matrices and determinants. हाँ, अभी के लिए थोड़ा माइनस j लिखना है, ठीक है? समझिए उसको, माइनस हमेशा, ये j का प्रोडक्ट कभी भी माइनस आएगा इधर, देखो, ठीक है? समझ रहे हैं? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ j ऑलवेज माइनस j. हाँ, देख अभी क्या लिखना है, देखो 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 कितना? माइनस 6.
-6.
हाँ, तो माइनस ऑफ माइनस 2 माइनस 1 into 3 कितना? माइनस 3. ठीक है, हाँ, प्लस अभी के के लिए मैंने क्या करना है, देखो, व्हाट शुड आई डू फॉर के के लिए?
Sir,
तो
for K, last row. First row
लास्ट
and
कॉलम.
last row.
हाँ, देखो अभी क्या करना है, देखो 2 into 5 10 माइनस माइनस 1 into माइनस 1 प्लस 1. देखो इधर
Plus
क्या, ठीक है? दैट्स हाउ इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ a क्रॉस b है. सो
Yes,
माइनस 12 i कैप, देखो माइनस सो प्लस 3j plus 3j and plus 9k. This is how you just expand a determinant basically. All right, people, are you able to understand? This is how you can expand.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा सा ये आपको like जानना बहुत जरूरी है for like understanding the entire concept which we are going to discuss in the future. All right, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now so this is what the today's session is all about, and in next class what we do is, guys, I have shared a worksheet on functions. I'm sure you might have aware of that. Pravalika, Adesha, do you know I have shared a worksheet on functions?
Sir, I didn't get that access from that
Yeah,
Google class.
see, it is in the Google Classroom. Please go there and just get it and try solving from that. Clear?
Sir, I asked Manoj sir, he didn't said anything till now.
I didn't get you.
Google Classroom message I don't have, sir.
Acha, you just ask Shirisha ma'am. Okay. You ask Shirisha
I will
ma'am.
check in the group, sir.
Yeah, you check in the group or you ask Krisha ma'am if you don't find it. If still still if you don't find, you just ask Manoj sir. Okay, I also remind Manoj sir and Sirisha ma'am. Okay, all right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, and please do solve that. Pravalika, how long? How many questions have you solved from the functions?
Sir, not many, sir, but I've solved some of the questions.
Please do solve it. Deadline has been done. Please finish it up. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.